Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to check and close tabs on your Android phone the easy way. So stick around and follow this simple step. Let's jump right in. If you are using Google Chrome, here's what to do. Open the Google Chrome browser. Tap the tab icon, the small square with a number at the top. You will see all your open tabs. Tap the X on any tabs to close it, or tap the three dots in the top corner and select Close All Tabs. Tap on Close All Tabs and Groups, and you are done. And that's how you check and close tab on your Android phone the right way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful Android tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.